Hi early explorers, in this video I will explain how to make your own light box. For this project you'll need a transparent container, paper towels, tape, and holiday string lights. Use LED indoor lighting that doesn't get hot to the touch. Tape paper towels or white tissue paper to the underside of the lid. Place holiday lights inside. Use several sets if you're using a larger container. Close the lid and leave the plug out. Plug in your homemade light table. Add another layer of tissue paper if you need to scatter the light more. Use flour to draw with light, or translucent paper shapes to experiment with colors or make a design. The sun lights the earth. Stars make the most light in the universe. The tiny atoms that build the universe react together to make light. In the rainbow, sunlight is scattered, separating the different wavelengths, and we see different colors of visible light. Deep in the ocean, where sunlight doesn't reach, animals like jellyfish have adapted to make their own light. We hope you have fun exploring light with your homemade light box. Remember to unplug it when you are done playing.